Hi everyone, I'm doing a super cute snow globe inspired manicure today, and I did get the idea from Jaunty Julie. She did 10 minimalist or quick Christmas designs or something like that. So I did get the idea on her channel, and I will link that video in the description box. But right now, let me show you how I'm creating mine. Let's get started. The base and top coat I use are by Maxus. First, I'm adding base coat to all of my nails. The polishes I'll be using are Orly's Rose Colored Glasses, Zoya's Dallas for a topper, Zoya's Snow White, and Kelly's Emerald by Orly. I'll be applying 2 coats of Orly's Rose Colored Glasses. It's just a sheer pink color. So for the bottom, I'm just going to put a little white line, and that's for the snow. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Just gonna put 2 coats of that. Now I'm just going to draw a Christmas tree. Okay, I think that looks like a tree. The last step is to make it look like a snow globe, and Dallas is actually the perfect topper to do this with. And for my other nails, I'm not drawing a snow globe on all of them. I'm just going to take Dallas and put it on as the topper for the rest of my nails. Now I'll be applying Maxus Finito top coat to all of my nails. Here is the finished mani. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.